chance of rain 60%. Wednesday, mostly cloudy. A chance of rain in the morning, then a chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-50s. Chance of rain 40%. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers. Lows in the mid-40s. Thursday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 50s. Thursday night, cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Lows in the mid-40s. Friday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 50s. What? Temperatures as low as 34 will result in frost formation. Where? Western Hampton, Massachusetts, Eastern Hampshire, Massachusetts, and Eastern Hampton, Massachusetts counties. When? From midnight Saturday night to 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. Impacts. Frost could kill sensitive outdoor vegetation if left uncovered. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. And now the